Hey Jewel, I am back with the follow-up of the hairstyle from my wash day routine. So I'm going in now looking for my leave-in conditioner. That's what gets me through. I tell you, I thank God for these products. But that was the Design Essential Almond, Avocado and Almond Oil leave-in conditioner. But right here, you see that I'm just going in and rubbing my fingers down my hair strands, making sure I have properly detangled. If I do not detangle my hair,
OMG, it is a disaster.
So what I just go in and do and I just go in and apply the leave-in to each section and making sure I put a good amount on there. Not overdoing it, but enough to coat my strands. And once you see I got that slip, I can easily glide through my hair. I then go in and split those, split that section into more sections. And those are called subsections. So I go in and create more subsections, and I make sure my hair is moist. I make sure it is a little wet. So once I put that product in and I go to detangle, it'll just glide through just like how you see it. And once it glides through, then I go in and twist each subsection that I have created in my hair. That's what I do for my wash day routine. I go and create twists within my hair. And so after I've done one side, I just go to the next. You see how much I put in there? It was a good amount. Not overdoing it, but enough to coat my strands. And I just continue the process, making sure it is actually detangled. And once it is, I go through and twist. As you also can see, is I put little black hair ties on each section that I have completed, just to keep it out of my way. But I mean, my twists aren't perfect. I just go and just do a little something just to get me by. Not too much tension. I do not like tension on my hair. I will pull a hairstyle down in a minute if it's too tight. And I noticed that once I went natural, I cannot even stand a certain amount of tension on my head. So as you can see, the twists are loose. I do not like my twists too tight. I don't like anything pulling, because keep in mind, once hair dries, it shrinks. And when it shrinks, that's more tension that's created. So keep that in mind when you're styling your hair. Make sure it's not too tight, because you can cause breakage like that. But as you see, I'm just working my way around my head, making sure it's not sopping wet, but making sure it's damp enough so when the leave-in is applied, I can easily glide through the hair. I am twisting my back. That's the easiest part to do. Y'all, the middle part of my hair, OMG, it is not easy to do. But you know what? We make it through. We make it through with the strength of the Lord. I depend on Him through my wash day and help me keep my mind right, because all this hair that I have, it is a lot of work. But I'm thankful and grateful because I asked for it. Did you hear that? I asked for it. Yes. So you gave it to me. So now you got to be responsible for what He has given you. So I thank God for it. So I just go in and make sure that I have a leave-in and an oil, because through the week it's going to get dry. And so I want to make sure my strands are coated, so when I go to detangle or whatever it is through the week, I'm not getting extra breakage. And so now I just go and secure a back ponytail. Y'all see it's loose. I don't wrap it 2 times. I don't wrap it 2 times. And so I go in with my little hair clip. I bought 2 of these. Oh, they're cute. But one broke because I didn't know what I was doing. But that's okay. I got one more to get me through. I twist the actual ends of the ponytail, and I just wrap it around that little clip that you see. And I go in and secure it with like a couple of bobby pins. I know the bobby pins do not stay in my head, but they don't stop me from trying. Y'all, I be at the grocery store and I'll hear clink, 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 clink. And I'm looking around like, oh, somebody must have dropped their coins, their change or something. So I turn around and look down on the aisle, and sure enough, it's the bobby pins that I secured in my head. Now, I go in with the Chi Heat Protector. You gotta give it a little wave. That's it, left and right. Mist it just a little bit. Sit under the dryer for just a little bit, enough to, to dry it. And that is it. I don't do it every time, but I just do it randomly. So I try not to walk around with wet hair. And it takes 2 days for my hair to dry.
Nobody got time for that.
But yes, so we have completed the whole style. Here it is. Oh, it is so cute. I love it. It's so plump and juicy and healthy. I love it. But here it is, clean scalp. Yes, honey. I'm happy and I'm done. So what is your go-to style after you wash your hair? Comment below. Subscribe for more videos. Take care.